What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Rogue remote key fob. This Nissan Rogue key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing you want to do is grab your key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of our key fob, you can see there's these two notches that the end of the screwdriver's on, one here and one right here. And you want your screwdriver to be able to fit in that notch. So I'm going to take my screwdriver and push it in that notch. Make sure it's all the way pushed in, then I'm just going to twist the screwdriver. And as I do that, you can see it starts to open it, and you can come over here and do the same thing. And if you need to, you can kind of very carefully work your screwdriver down the side like that, just to keep opening it. Once it's far enough apart, you can just pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And in this plastic holder, there's a little bit of a cutout right here. You can get your screwdriver under the battery and get it out of that little holder. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure you're installing that with the plus side down. And I'm going to kind of tuck this edge in first down by this metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first and then snap it down into place. Then we'll snap it back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.